Good morning, students. Today we are going to create definition list in HTML. Let's see what are the tags used to create a definition list. So for creating a definition list in HTML, we need the following tags. Number one is DL tag or definition list tag, which is used to define a definition list. Number two, DH tag or definition header tag. It is used to define the name of definition list. Third one, definition term DT. It is used to insert list item in the definition list. DD tag or definition description tag, as the name defines, it is used to give the description of the definition term. Now let's see how to use these tags in definition list. I have opened Notepad. Let's start our programming. Here I have created a definition list using definition list tag. After DL tag, I have started DH, definition header tag, which defines the name Indian personality. This is the definition header. In the definition list, I have given definition term number 1 Mahatma Gandhi, and in the definition as the father of nation. In the next definition term, I have given the name Sarojini Naidu, and in the description I have given she is known as the Nightingale of India. So like this, I have inserted 5 items in the definition list. Now let's close this definition list. So I have closed definition list and closed this HTML tag. Now our program is complete. Let's save this program. I am saving this program by the name Now you can see list.html5 has appeared. Double click on this. Now you can see here. This is the output of our program. Indian personality, this is the definition header. And this one is the definition list. Mahatma Gandhi, he is also known as father of nation. Number 2 definition term is Sarojini Naidu. Number 3 Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and at last Lala Lajpat Rai.